Hi, my dear sweet goodies. Welcome back to online class and Happy New Year to my sweet childrens. We have successfully completed our half-yearly examinations. Now we started the third term. Okay, Mama? In our third term, there are 5 units, Ma. Okay? 5 units are there. The first unit is geometry. Second unit, numbers. Unit 3, money. Unit 4, time. Unit 5, information processing. Okay, well, there are 5 units, ma. In our first units, there are 2 subtopics, ma. That is rolling and sliding. And second topic is classification of objects. Okay, ma. Shall we go to the lesson? Okay. Unit 1, geometry, ma. Page number 1. Recall. Join the dots and color the pictures. Okay, va? Here giving 2 pictures, ma, but with the dotted lines. Isn't it, no? Okay. Now you take the pencil. First sharp the pencil. Okay, va? And then you join these dots. Okay, va? Likewise, you join the dot like this. Okay, va? This like you first join this both pictures. Okay, va? This like you join this dots, ma. Okay, va? Okay, completed, amma. Okay, completed means now look at this next box. Okay, va? First join the dots, that one completed. Now we want to give the color for this pictures. Okay, va? Next, now look here, ma. Count the number of each different shapes in the above pictures and write them below. Okay, va? In these 2 pictures, they are having a different shapes. Okay, va? First, say the basic shapes, ma. Yes, that is square, circle, triangle, and then very good, rectangle. Okay, va? That is what? Square. This is square, circle, triangle, and this one is rectangle. Okay, well, there are 4 basic shapes, isn't it? No. Now, in these 2 pictures, there are, yes, 4 different shapes. Now, we want to count and write in both pictures. Okay, well, first, rectangle. What is this? Rectangle. Now, take the red color, ma. Take the red color and give the color. Give the red color for this rectangle. Okay, va? Okay. Now, in this picture, where is the rectangle, ma? Yes, here. This is a rectangle, no? So, give the red color for this rectangle. Okay, va? Understood or not, ma? Take the red color and color it in rectangle. Okay, va? Here one rectangle and here one rectangle. Okay, va? Now, in the second pictures, where's the rectangle? Yes, here. So, here give the red color. And, yes, here also one rectangle. So, here also give red color. Yes, here also what? This one is rectangle, no? So, give the red color. Okay, and here also one, here one. So, totally how many rectangles, ma? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one also what? Rectangle. Isn't it, no? So, totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally how many rectangles, ma? Very good, 7. So, write 7 here and give the red color for all the rectangles. Understood? Okay. Like the same way, what is the next shape? Yes, square. Okay, ma. So, take the green color. Okay, ma. green. Okay va? Take the green color. First color it with the green. Okay va? Take the green color and first color it this shape. Okay va? This finished after. Look at this first picture ma. Okay, there are many squares are there, isn't it? No, 1, 2, 3. This all the one what? Square only no. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are 9 squares in this first picture. Give the green color for this all the square. Okay, ma? Give the green color for this all square shape. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The small square box. Okay, va? Now, that's all in this first picture. Now, in the second picture, where is the square? Yes, here. 1, give the green color. Okay, va? First give the color and then finally count this square and write here. Okay, va? Take the green color and color it, this square box. Next, here also what? Square. This also what? Square also. Give the green color for the square. Okay, va? Then that's all. 1, 2. That's all, no ma. Now, finished. Now count the squares, ma. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, va? Now how many squares? 11. So write here 11. Okay, va? After giving the color, count and write the shapes. Next, the next shape is what? Circle. Okay, va? Take the yellow color. Yellow. Take the yellow color and first color this. Okay, va? This one finished. Okay, ma. This one finished after. Here, see, look at the first picture. Where is the circle? Yes. Here one circle. So give the yellow color. Next, yes, here also what? One big circle. So give the yellow color for this. Okay, va? Just give the background, ma. Okay, va? Give the yellow color. 1, 2. Okay, va? This is one circle and this is one circle. Finished? Yellow color give it. Now look at the second picture. Where is the circle? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 circle. So give the yellow color for this 4 circles. Okay, mama? Give it, amma. Okay. After finishing the coloring, count the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many circles are there? Very good. 6. So put the 6 here. Okay, va? Understood? Now, finally, what is this? Yes, triangle. Take the blue color. Okay. Blue. First take the blue color and color this. Okay, va? Color it. Okay. Then after, look at this first picture. Where is that? Triangle. Yes. Here one, here one, here one, here one. There are 4 triangles. So give the blue color for this 4. 1, 2, blue color. Okay, va? Blue, blue. Give it. Okay. After finishing this 4 triangle, look at this second picture. Okay, va? Where is the triangle? Yes, here. So give the blue color for this triangle. Next, here. Triangle. So give the blue color for this. Okay. Next, here one triangle. So give the blue color here also. That's all, mama. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangle. So you must give the blue color for this 4. Okay. Next here 1, 2, 3. Here 3. For this 3 give the blue color. Okay. Wow. Totally how many triangles ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7. Give the color carefully ma. Okay va? Understood ma? Okay, that's all. Now look at the second activity. Tick the round object. Below they are giving the 3 objects ma. Okay va? The first one is, yes, exam pad. The second one, ball. The fourth one is what? Yes, one wooden table. Isn't it no? Now, round. What does mean by round ma? Round means nothing ma. This is shaped like a circle. Okay va? This is shaped like a circle or cylinder. Okay va? All the round objects is rolled. Is able to roll. Okay va? For example, ball. A ball is able to roll. Yes. So, which object is round object ma? Pad, ball or table, which is able to roll? Very good. Ball is able to roll. So this is a round object. This is a shape like a circle. Isn't it no ma? This is shaped like a circle. So tick here. This is a round object. Okay va? Now tick the flat object. What does mean by flat ma? Yes, round means rolling object. Flat means not able to roll. Okay va? That is a slide object. Flat object. Okay va? Okay va? Flat object means what? Yes. Horizontal. It is having a horizontal position. That means what? Flat not able to roll. Okay va? The first one. This is able to roll. So this is not flat object. This is also able to roll. Yes. So this is also not flat object. Yes. The last one is what? Book. This is able to roll. No. This is not able to roll. So this is a flat object. So tick here. Understood? Round means rolling object. Flat means not able to roll. Okay va? That's all. Okay. Now take the next page. Page number 2. Okay va? Rolling and sliding. Okay va? Keywords. Roll, slide. Okay. Now what does mean by roll ma? Yes. This is turning over and over. Okay va? For example, what say some rolling object ma? Yes. Ball and this drum. This is also able to roll. Rolling here. Yes. So this and all what? Rolling object. Sliding means what? Not able to roll. Okay va? Look at this picture ma. Yes, this box is able to roll. No, this is just able to move. Okay va? So this is a slide object. Okay va? This is have a flat position no. So this is a sliding object. Okay, now here cow and goat are talk about the rolling and sliding. Okay va? First the cow is saying, hey, may shall we play? Okay va? The cow is asking, shall we play? Okay. The goat is replying, okay. The goat is accepted. Okay va? We shall play. Okay va? This both are started playing here. Okay va? First cow. Hey, may. This is rolling. This drum is what? Rolling. Okay va? The goat is saying, oh, ma, this is not rolling. This box is what? Not able to roll. Because this is what? Yes, flat object. Isn't it no ma? This is a flat object. So this is not able to rolling. Okay va? It is just able to move. Okay va? Now look at the third picture. The cow is saying it is rolling fast. Try it. The cow is saying ma, the drum is very easy to rolling. You try it. That's like saying. Okay va? Now the goat is saying I can only slide. You try to roll it. This box is only what? Sliding. Sliding is more. Just moving. This is not. This roll is unable to roll. So please you try it. That like the goat is saying. Okay va? So the goat and cow are exchanging the objects. Okay va? The goat come and try the drum and the cow is going to try the box. Okay va? The both animals are exchanging the objects. Okay va? Now here the goat is trying the drum. So this is what? Rolling very well. The goat is saying yes, yes, it is rolling well. Okay va? Because this is what? Round object. All the round object is able to roll. Isn't it no? Okay. Now here cow is trying this box. Oh yes. Why does not this roll? Not able to rolling. The cow is now thinking. Why does not this roll? Why ma? Why this box is does not to roll? Very good, because this is a flat object. Okay va? Flat object is not able to roll. Okay va? Okay. Now take the page number 3. Learn. Round objects roll on the slide. Okay va? All the round object is, it is a roller. Okay va? Now they are giving 4 examples for round object. The first one is ball and guava, orange, etc. All the round objects are able to roll. Okay va? Now I already said no, flat object is only able to slide, that is move. Okay va? This is not able to roll ma. Only it's just to move. That is scale, eraser, sharpener, etc. Okay va? Round objects means rolling object. Flat object means what? Sliding. That is slide objects. Okay va? Now, but in some cases, look at here ma. Both round and flat objects either roll or slide on a slide according to the nature of the object. But some objects are, it is able to roll and it is able to slide, both. For example, see this car wheel, car tire. In this tire it have a both nature. In one side this is flat, isn't it? In this side this is flat and the another side it is round. So this is able to slide and able to roll. Okay, well, both also possible. Okay, and also the ring. Okay, well, this ring also have a 2 shapes. One side is flat and another sound is what? Round. This also both able to roll and able to slide. Okay, well. Now, page number 4. Activity. Use a slide to test the following objects that are given in a table and draw a smiley in a suitable places. Okay va? Here giving some objects ma. Okay va? And we want to say the particular object is rolling or sliding. If it is rolling means draw the smiley below the rolling. Okay. Now first one is box. What ma? Yes, lunch box. The lunchbox is rolling or smiling? Rolling or smiling? Very good. This is one side is flat and another side is what? Round. So it have the both nature. This is able to roll and this is able to slide. Both also possible. So draw the smiley in both the boxes. Understood? Next, pencil box. This is rolling or sliding? Yes, this is a flat object, no? So flat object means? Very good, slide. Flat means slide. So draw the smiley below the slide. Below the slide, draw the smiley. Okay. Now third, button. The button is rolling or sliding? Yes, this is like a tiffin box, no? This is have a two shapes also. The one side is flat and another side is round. So this is able to roll in one side. So draw the smiley in rolling box. Below the rolling, draw the smiley. And another one side, this is able to slide. Because one side this is a flat, no? So both also possible. So draw the two smileys. Okay, the next one is what? Yes, beads, ma. This is rolling or sliding? Yes, this is having only one side, only round. So round means rolling only. So draw the smiley below the rolling. Understand? Okay. Now think like a mathematician. Look at this picture. There are two boxes and two boys. Okay, va? In this two, which box is easy to move? Why? Here asking the question. In these two boxes, which is easy to move? First one or second one? Which box is easy to move, ma? Very good. Second box. So tick here. Second box. Why? Because in the second box having a wheel. Isn't it? No. The first box is not having wheel. The second box is having a wheel. So wheel is which shape? Round shape. Round shape means this is able to roll. So this is very easy. Understood? Understand, Amma? This is the second box having a wheel. The wheel is in round shape. So it is easy to roll. Sorry. So it is rolling because it is easy to roll. So write the answer here. First one or second one? Second box. So write here second box. SECOND. Second. So write the answer here second because it is rolling. Okay, va? Now activity. Practice. Circle the objects that can only roll. Only roll. Okay. Below they are giving many objects, ma. We want to circle only rolling. Only rolling objects only we want to circle. The first one. This object is able to roll. No, not possible. Because this is, yes, flat object. This is not able to roll. The second one, this is able to roll. Yes, because this is round shape. So circle. The second one, school bag. This is able to roll? No. This one? No. This one? This is able to roll? No, this is also what? Flat object. Here asking only rolling object. But this one is what? Rolling and sliding. Both also it is possible. So we not able to, no need to put the circle. Okay, va? Here not possible. This is also not possible. Here the last one, yes, possible because this is only round in shape. Okay, but this and this object both there are two shapes. One side is flat and another side is what? Round. This also one side is flat and another side is round. But here asking only rolling object, so this and this only. Next, same like that, circle the object that can only slide. That means what? Sliding objects only we want to put the circle. Slide. This is round, so no. This one also what? Round, rolling object, so no. This one also rolling object, so no. This is able to roll, no. So this is a slide object. Slide object means what, ma? Not able to roll. Okay. This is also able to roll. This one is able to roll, no. The bat is not able to roll, so round this. That's all. This both also what? Round shape. Now the last question. Tick the object that can both rolling and sliding. Which objects, ma? Both roll and slide? This is only round in shape, so this is not. Yes, here see, they are having two sides. One side is rolling and another side is what? Sliding. So this is possible, so tick here. This is only one side, slide, so no. This is seema, one side is flat and another side is what? Round. So this is able to roll and slide, so tick here. That's all. Okay, we understand, the first one is only rolling object, so pomegranate and orange. Okay, the second one is only sliding object, tiffin box and bat. Okay, now the last one is both rolling and sliding, that is coin and drum. Okay, okay ma, that's all. First practice this rolling and sliding object, ma. Okay, next class we discuss about the classifications of objects. Okay va? Thank you, and once again Happy New Year to all. Okay, thank you ma.